You can expect a lot from the 2013 Toyota Sienna. This 7-passenger van provides exceptional value. It features an automatic transmission, front-wheel drive, and the 3.5-liter 6-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, front and rear reading lights, variably intermittent wipers, and cruise control. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Take assurance in side curtain airbags, providing head protection in the event of a severe collision. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.